Welcome to English with Mark. Grammar with have got. Grammar through examples. How to use have got. We use have got in several situations, but how? We use have got to talk about personal appearances. I have got short brown hair. I haven't got blue eyes. Have you got blonde hair? It is simple, but you need to learn through examples. To talk about possessions. I have got a new jacket. I haven't got anything to wear. Have you got any white trainers? I have got a great job. I have got a meeting at work today. I have got a lot of work to do. What do you look like? I have got brown hair. I have got brown eyes. I have got a white shirt on. I have got blue trousers on. Have you got blue eyes? No, I haven't. Have you got blonde hair? Yes, I have. What colour hair have you got? I have got brown hair. What colour eyes have you got? I have got green eyes. My sister has got black hair. She has got green eyes.